If you're a foreigner living in Japan, there's something you need to know. Disasters here are not rare. They are inevitable. Earthquakes, tsunamis, typhoons, and even volcanic eruptions. These are not possibilities. They are certainties over time. In 2011, over 15,000 people died in a single day. Many of them froze. Some didn't know where to go. Some were waiting for instructions. And many simply underestimated the power of nature. This is not fear-mongering. This is reality. And as a foreigner in Japan, you might be even more vulnerable. Why? Because you may not understand the warning signs. You may not know the evacuation routes. And when panic hits, your brain won't save you. Only your training will. So let's break it down. Step 1. Know your hazards. Japan is on the Pacific Ring of Fire. Earthquakes can strike any time, without warning. When they do, your first instinct should be to protect your head, take shelter under a sturdy table, and then prepare to evacuate if necessary. But how will you know when to evacuate? That's where sirens and emergency alerts come in. Step 2. Understand the alerts. In many areas, local governments issue evacuation orders in Japanese. Learn the basic terms. Hinanjo e ikimashu means, let's go to the shelter. Tsunami keiho means tsunami warning. If you don't speak Japanese, use a translation app now to pre-save emergency phrases. Do not rely on your phone in the moment. Electricity and mobile signals may go down. Step 3. Prepare your survival kit. In a real disaster, stores run empty within hours. Roads are blocked. Water and power may be out for days. That's why a survival kit is not optional. It's mandatory. You need water, non-perishable food, flashlight, batteries, first aid, emergency blanket, radio, and most importantly, your medications and ID. If you don't have a survival kit yet, I highly recommend this one. It's compact, reliable, and includes essentials tested in Japan. Shiangshikuwa Amazon Rinku wo Chetsuku. Step 4. Know your evacuation point. Every neighborhood in Japan has a designated evacuation shelter. Find yours today. Walk the route in advance. In panic, your memory will not help you. Only muscle memory will. Step 5. Drill with your family. You can't protect others unless you train them too. Make it a habit. Ask your kids, what would you do if the ground shakes right now? Then, act it out. Repetition builds survival instinct. Final thought. Disasters don't discriminate, but preparation does. Be the person your family or community can count on. Be a protector, not a victim. If you found this useful, please subscribe and hit the like button. I will be sharing more survival tips, drills, and real stories from past disasters. Also, check out the Amazon item link.